Hello, everybody. It's a new beginning, and a lot of people are asking about their health this year and wondering about their health this year, if things are going to look up. And we're at a time right now where a lot of people are stressing out over the situation in life, about just things that are happening in general in people's lives. And stress is never good for health. It's important to eat healthy, but we must look at our stress levels. And worry and fear is probably more detrimental to our health than the food we eat. The body can survive a really long time on unhealthy foods, but it cannot last long under a stressful situation. And to make it worse, when people are stressed out, they often take some kind of antidepressant drug or something else that makes the problem worse. So I'm calling you this new beginning to get healthy with your stress levels and put your stress levels under control if you want to thrive and eat as healthy as possible. We must take care of our health on every level. And I see far too many people neglecting their stress levels and the worry and the fear. And the amount of, even if it's not opioids or some other drug that somebody's taken for their stress, people take these recreational drugs to help them avoid the everyday realities of life, because people are looking at things from a wrong perspective. So as I eat healthy and I build my own garden behind me and I continue to try to do the best I can do with what I've been provided, I just try to maintain a healthy focus and positive outlook on life. And I want to suggest you all that too for your health. Even if you've been diagnosed with a disease or some other bad news, remember, it's how we deal with the news that's what really makes it stressful or not. Things are going to happen in our lives that don't always go according to our plan or according to what we want or the way we want. That we have to take as a fact and a reality. But how we deal with that is all the difference. And, if it leads to emotional eating and it leads to other negative emotions and actions, it's going to affect our health in the long run. And so I'm not calling for or suggesting that we're not going to deal with hardships, but I'm suggesting for a better attitude for better health. All right, so I want to give you that reminder. And here I am to help you just have a more joyous life through the food pictures I provide and through the hope that I hopefully give you through this website, knowing that here I am, a man that was diagnosed with the disease at 19 years old. And now at 50, I have more energy and more joy in my life than ever before. That it's not too late to start now, to start eating healthier, start living healthier, to be more happy, and to get your questions answered about health. Most diseases out there today have cures. That's the great news. And the cure begins with not what you add to your diet, it's what you eliminate. Eliminate what's creating the problem, and guess what's going to begin to go away? The problem. So health doesn't begin with what we add to our diet, it begins with what we eliminate. Doctors' diagnostic tools are wonderful for figuring out what the problem might be, but there's usually a non-drug answer to the issues, and there's just a healthier way to do it and deal with it, a more natural way, eating healthy food and living a healthy lifestyle. So put those comments, questions below the video, and we're going to have a lot of great things happening here at this channel. So thank you, and shalom.